Morning.
Got in pretty late last night.
Dad, I'm not 16 anymore.
Still, it was late.
Well, you're not gonna have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah, why's that? Todd's a lucky man.
The best part of waking up
That's what I told him when we talked last week.
is Folgers in your cup.
Produce with a 100% guarantee means freshness is always in season.
Rancher's Reserve Beef, guaranteed tender, says you're always ready to grill. And now, Vons has a new promise. A commitment to thousands of new everyday low prices.
So you can get what you want, when you want it.
At the price you need, today
And tomorrow. That's our promise. And that's ingredients for life. Vons.
When I realized how much my middleman was really costing me for auto insurance, well, I was furious. I mean, a fee for this, an extra fee for that, all of them junk fees. So, I dumped him.
Paying too much for auto insurance? Call Dashers now at 1-800-222-9222 and insure direct with a down payment as low as $39.
Thank you, Dashers.
Dashers.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for central Fresno County in central California. This includes the cities of Fresno, Clovis, South Central Madera County in central California until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Fresno, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Our crosstown rivals, the Shorecrest High School.
This is a special report from ABC 30 Action News.
Good afternoon, I'm Kevin Musso in the Storm Warn 30 Center. We want to take you right to Storm Warn 30, where we've been tracking severe weather across the valley. We actually do have a tornado warning that's in effect, and it is for central Fresno County. And this also includes the city of Fresno, Clovis, South Central Madera County, and Central California until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Fresno and moving to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. As you can see, we have a pulsing polygon over here near downtown Fresno. A trained weather spotter just to the east of 99 did spot a funnel cloud that possibly may have made contact with the ground. As we're tracking this particular cell in real time, it is positioned right now over Highway 99. It will be over the Fig Garden area at 3:35, and there you see the other projections for Pinedale, Friant, Millerton Lake, and such. This storm, again, the cell in particular, is moving to the east-northeast at 36 miles per hour, so it will quickly move off to the east. We will continue to monitor the situation. The heaviest downpours right now are right here along what seems to be the 99 area, between the 41 corridor and the 99 area. So this, again, it's possible that this could produce a tornado that could be in contact with the ground. The severity of this thunderstorm cell overall is not that severe, but however, it could produce a funnel cloud, and it could be producing cloud-to-ground lightning as early as possible. On the floor right now, we have a few other thunderstorms that we should be tracking and be concerned about here near Squaw Valley. That will move up in the Dinky area by about 4 o'clock o'clock this evening. Over in the Yosemite Lakes Park area, we also have a heavy downpour that'll be over Bass Lake at 4:25. But again, the National Weather Service office in Hanford has issued a tornado warning, and it's based on the thunder cell that you see just will be in until 4 o'clock evening. We'll be monitoring these storms and others we expect through the evening hours here in Storm Warn 30, and of course we will update you on Action News at 5. Back to you.